Are you ready to transform how you run your photography business? Imagine having an AI assistant that handles the busy work so you can focus on what truly matters, creating stunning images and connecting with your clients. I'm Derryberry, a professional photographer and educator, and I'm excited to invite you to my upcoming 4-day intensive workshop at Florida School 2024. Imagine having an AI assistant that handles the busy work so you can focus on what you love, creating amazing photography. In my workshop, I'll show you how to customize Chat GPT to fit your business like a glove. We'll also dive into developing your unique brand story. You'll learn how to craft a powerful narrative that resonates with your clients and train GPT to keep your brand voice consistent across all your communications. Tired of spending hours on repetitive tasks? I'll teach you how to automate those time-consuming jobs using Chat GPT so you can focus more on shooting and less on admin. Now, this isn't just theory. This is hands-on, practical training designed to boost your productivity and bring your business brilliance to life. So why not welcome our robot overlords and join me September 21st through 24th at the Holiday Inn Resort, Lake Buena Vista in Orlando. And let's make your photography business smarter, more efficient, and truly brilliant. Seats are limited, so don't wait. Sign up now and secure your spot today.